Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from isocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about duplicating Facebook ads. How do you duplicate Facebook ads and keep your social proof on it? Before we jump into the video, you know what to do, right? Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this and we're going to talk about the right way to duplicate your Facebook ads. Now here's one of the Facebook ads accounts that I manage, and we're going to go at the ad level. So here's the campaign. I'm going to go inside that multiple ad set. Let's just go to one of the ad sets. So first of all, what's the social proof? It's the engagement that you have on your ad. So for example, this ad is running. So if I click on this, and let me show this to you. So you see right here, so there's some engagement, the likes and shares, and also there are probably clicks and a lot of stuff on this. So that's the social proof or the engagement on this ad. Now, when you want to duplicate this ad, there's a way to keep that social proof. So let's say this ad is really working well for this audience, but we want to duplicate this ad and then show it to different audience, right? So to test or maybe scale our Facebook ad campaign, make more money. Now, how do you duplicate? It's very easy. So I'm going to click on this and then click on this duplicate right here. Now, and then you can duplicate in the original campaign. Maybe if you want to create a duplicate in the existing campaign and inside a different ad set, meaning you will be targeting different audience, you can do that. Or you can take it to like create a brand new campaign for this. Now, the important thing I want to mention here is right here. So this is the magic. This thing right here. Show existing reaction, comments, and shares on your new ads. If you do not click this, it will be duplicated, but all that engagement, you will lose it. So maybe your ad was working really, really well and you have all this social proof. And if you want to take it, create or show your ad to another set of audience, by keeping that engagement on it, you're likely to scale the ad campaign with the new audience at a much faster rate. So this is totally up to you how you want to create the new campaign structure, but the important part is to pay attention to this. If you do want to carry over the reactions, comments, and engagement, make sure you leave this checked. If you don't, in some cases, maybe you do not want to carry over, then you can uncheck this. Super, super easy to do, but this is how you duplicate your Facebook ads and then retain the social proof, the engagement on it. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.